Ooh, we got a video of the Turk.
Hello.
Hey everyone, Josh with Steering South here. And today we want to talk about the Intex Explorer K2 two-person kayak. And we got this on Amazon. It was like 72 bucks. Inflatable kayak, and I think it's going to be great for traveling around and having a portable option for getting out on the lake. All right, we're just going to tear into this thing. Okay, so this one showed up a little dented. See that? So hopefully there's no damage inside. Oh, it's taped. Okay. All right. First thing we notice is it comes in a big ol' oversized Intex bag. And it's actually fairly heavy. All right. What do we got in here? All right, looks like we got a pump. Ooh, it's like one paddle. Second paddle. And of course, the kayak. Okay, and that's it in the bag. All right. Before we unwrap this sucker, let's take a look at the paddles. Very noisy plastic. Okay, paddles break down to pretty small. Yeah. Looks like they're fairly quick connect. Not 100% where this goes. Seems. Okay. And there is the paddle. And you can adjust the angle between the two here on this piece. All right. There's a paddle. Next thing to check out is going to be this pump. And it feels cheap. Very cheap feeling. I think a light wind will blow it away. It blows out on both up and down strokes. So hopefully it'll be pretty quick at inflating this thing. All right. All right. Now for the main event here. Oh, we got all kinds of pieces. Okay, this looks like the main body of the kayak, and here, these must be the seats. So 2 seats, inflatable and adjustable, and the fin for the bottom. Patch kit instructions. Okay. Holy cow. Okay, I think we're gonna wait to inflate this till we get down to the park. So I'm gonna pack this back up and bring it down there. maiden voyage of the Intex Explorer K2 kayak, and aside from me being so heavy that I feel like the front's probably off the water, it's doing pretty good. Seems to glide pretty well in the water. It's nice and lightweight to carry to the water. Paddles work, very stable. Yeah. Alright, now I'm scared. So yeah, pretty cool. I would definitely recommend it for 71 bucks.